Gonna give it a shot again. Let's see if we can have Atul live with us on the Varun Kapoor show. I'm gonna give it a shot again. So welcome once again. Let's see. All right, so let's see if we can have Atul live with us. Hello, everyone. Once again, we're having a little bit of technical challenge. I'm not sure why we are not able to have Atul on the screen, but that's fine. I think what we'll do is we will have him on the audio in that case. All right, so you know what we'll do is we'll try to get Atul Khatri with us on the phone. So Atul, what I'm gonna do is let me call you, and then we will hello everyone, welcome. Great. If you are a big fan of Atul Khatri, this is the time. Unfortunately, somehow we are not able to have him on the screen. So let me just get him on phone. All right, just giving it a last try. So Atul, looks like we definitely have some technical difficulties, but you know what? No issues. So I am gonna call you. Okay. I'm not sure what's happening, but you know what? Let me try this way out so that people can also watch you. So I am gonna try this three-way thing. I'm gonna try it for the very first time. So let's see how it goes. Can you hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Perfect. All right. So guys, looks like we definitely have some technical difficulties having him on Facebook Live, but you know what? I'm not gonna give up. I am definitely I'm a Dheet Punjabi, like I always tell you. I will make sure you are able to not only talk to him, but also see him. So he's with me on the other phone. So what I'm gonna do is I am definitely gonna connect this to the radio as well. So that way we have people listen to him and people watch him as well on radio as well as Facebook Live. So for people on Facebook Live, yes, we have Atul Khatri with us, and I'm gonna connect him All right. So let's see. Hey Atul, can you hear us? Can you hear us?
I can't hear you.
Okay. Now can you hear? No? You can't hear us? Still no?
No, I can't hear you.
Okay. I can hear you loud and clear and all the people can hear you, but okay. No worries. You know what? Let me go this way. Okay. Now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Perfect. All right. After all the technical issues, we finally have with us Atul Khatri. Yes, that was the surprise. जो मैं बहुत देर से hold भी नहीं कर पा रहा था, of course. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put him on this screen now for all of you, so that you can talk and you can ask your questions as well. Hopefully, there's not a lot of. Okay, perfect. All right. So welcome Atul to the Varun Kapoor Show. Really excited to have you here.
Thank you for this jugaad. I think the first time I doing it in the world.
Yeah, but looks like we definitely have a lot of issues. So you know what, Atul? I think the audio video, there's a lag. So I'm gonna have you just on the audio for now, and then we'll maybe try to get you on the video as well. But for now, I'm just gonna put you on audio so that we can at least hear you properly. Hello, Atul. Can you hear us?
I can hear you.
Perfect. All right. So yes, due to all the technical issues, guys, I'm so sorry. I might not be able to kind of show you, or you would not be able to see Atul on the video right now. I think there's a lag in the communication, but we still have him on the phone. So we will definitely be talking to Atul Khatri. Yes, the man who has made each one of us laugh for I don't know how many years now. We'll know a little bit about him as well, a little bit, his history. I know this is something which he did not plan as a career, but now I think he's having the best time of his life by not only entertaining people in India, but across the world. So he's been traveling, he's been making all of us laugh. So, without further ado, Atul, let's know a little bit about Atul Khatri, the man. And, I see a lot of fans already, who've been waiting to see you here in the US. And now with this show, which is planned in the month of March, I think people are really, really looking forward to this. So first, welcome to the Varun Kapoor Show. And why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself right away?
Hi Varun, thank you so much for having me here. So, just like I think all the Indians, even I am an engineer. I was running an IT company for around 25 years, 26 years in Mumbai in India. And at the age of 44, I decided to try stand-up comedy as a hobby.
Wow.
And then within like 4 years after starting it, like I started in 2012, by 2016 I gave up my IT job and got full-time into stand-up comedy, and it's been an amazing journey. And in fact, this is my second tour in the US. I was here and I was there in the US in 2018 as well, and I'm here now in the new show. It's called Daddy Cool, and super excited to be a part of it.
Oh, I'm you don't even know how excited people are here. I posted the poster. A few of them, started pinging me that, where and how and what and all that excitement that builds around Atul Khatri. But you just mentioned at the age of 44, were you not even scared to venture out and do something like this?
To be very honest, I was scared. So I took around 4 years. So at the age of 40, so I see, I'm also Sindhi. So I took my risks very calculatively. So 4 years, I did both stand-up comedy as well as my CEO Giddy.
Okay.
And I think at the age of 48, when I finally realized that, okay, this is something a line which is growing in India, and maybe I can make a living out of it, I quit my job and got into it.
Wow. Wow. I know it's
And to be honest, I got a lot of help from my wife as well. So she also gave me a little push saying, okay, do it in case, because she's also a professional hairstylist.
okay.
So she said, if you fail, I'm there, don't worry, I'll support you.
Kya baat hai. I think that's also very very important as well. Getting support from your family. Like in US here, we are 24/7 यहाँ तो fight ही चलती रहती है. We have to have a full-time job and then you take care of kids. But if you have to do something on the side, you definitely need a lot of support from family. And especially at the age you mentioned, right? I mean, 44 and above, wherein you are like so skeptical about your future, and you have to take care of the kids and family and social things that are going around. उस टाइम पे भी आपने इतना बड़ा I would not call it a risk, but yes, you still this was definitely should have been a challenge for you, right?
Absolutely, because that's the time the kids are going to college. The expenses are going to like double, triple.
Yep.
So that's a time really, I mean, it was a tough time in terms of the decision, but I was quite clear. And the thing is that the Indian comedy scene was at that time really, really like, growing very fast. Even now it's growing very fast, but at that time it was really growing at a much faster pace.
Right.
So it was foolish of me if I didn't ride that horse.
Absolutely. No, and I think I've also seen, so many stand-up comedians come up like in a matter of couple of years, and each one of you, be it Amit Tandon, be it Purav Gupta, be it Zakir Khan, I think you all have achieved so much, and you are rock stars in your own kind of domain as well. It's not that I'm sure there might be a little bit of competition here and there, but at the same time, I've seen so much love, so much affection amongst all of you on social media. And I'm sure each one of you kind of like each one of you to succeed, right?
Absolutely. So first of all, stand-up comedy is so unique. Like Zakir has a very different voice. Amit has a different voice. I have a different voice. A different, we may be talking over the same topic, but we all have such different angles to it.
Right.
So we never look at each other as competition. We just help each other grow the market, number one. And number two, I think we have been very, very fortunate enough the kind of love which we have got from our fans and support. Because they also know people appreciate that stand-up comedy is something which is very tough. Making people laugh is very difficult. Making them cry is very easy.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I think thank you to everybody who's supporting the scene, everywhere in the world.
Right. Great. And tonight was a real kind of quick interview planned and all that stuff. We definitely wanted to do it in a different way, but kaal kare so aaj kare so ab. So I think that kind of worked pretty well. But tell us a little bit about this show, Daddy Cool, jo ki aa raha hai. I think thanks to Ajinkya and Shilp Entertainment, we'll be able to witness the magic of Atul Khatri in the US, and I'm assuming it's happening in Canada as well, right?
Yeah, so I have one show. The first show is in Toronto.
Okay.
On 13th of March, and then after that I have 12 shows in the US.
Wow.
Right from New Jersey, New York, the Bay Area, LA, Seattle, Washington DC. We're going to Phoenix. We have been going the first time I'm performing in St. Thomas Islands, which is in the Caribbean, the Virgin Islands.
Wow. Okay.
And I'm really looking forward to all the shows. So the new show is called Daddy Cool, which is actually I've been working on it for the last 1 year. I debuted the show in Europe. So I was in Antwerp, I did a show in Munich, I did Amsterdam, I did 2 shows in London and all over India. Right now as we speak, I'm in Ahmedabad actually today.
Oh, acha, okay.
And then I see posters all around me where Shri Donald Trump is also coming to Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is plastered, is getting ready to welcome the US president. that's the very exciting times.
I know. And I don't know if it's a good time to be there or bad, but I'm sure you'll get a lot of content for sure for your future shows, right?
Absolutely.
So are you there to meet Donald Trump?
But sorry, what did you say?
I was asking, are you there to meet Donald Trump?
No, I'm leaving before he comes.
Oh, okay. All right.
Ahmedabad cannot handle two such strong personalities.
Oh my God! Right, absolutely. All right. So, tell us a little bit more about your experience in U.S. I know just not U.S. You've been traveling all around the world. I've been following your posts on Facebook, your Instagram posts as well. And you really like to kind of share everything, almost everything, with all your fans, your followers. So how has the last 1 year been, or 2019 been? And I think you've traveled across the world now, right?
Yes, thanks to stand-up comedy, I've been traveling across. I was in Australia in November 2019. I was a part of the Just for Laughs festival in Sydney. So I did around 4 shows in Australia in November, and just been before that I was in Singapore, Hong Kong. So thing is, actually the show is mainly in English.
Okay.
With a little bit of Hindi, so even the Gora crowd, the white crowd also enjoys this show, because in Australia I had a lot of white people watching the show.
Very nice.
Even in Europe when I went, so it's because it's mainly in English, a little bit in Hindi. So even the people Indians who are staying in America, but they have children who don't speak Hindi, they speak English. Even they will enjoy the show.
Great.
Because they will look at it from a father's point of view. So all people out there, please get your children also 16 plus.
Okay.
And it's a nice fun show, and I'm sure they'll really enjoy it.
Good that you mentioned 16 plus, because I'll tell you one funny thing that happened, and this was specifically that happened during Apurv Gupta's show. There were a couple of I don't know, somehow they were able to get small kids, and Apurv joked, right? कि अब ले तो आए हो, तो अब आज ये बच्चे बड़े भी हो ही जाएंगे आज यहाँ पर.
Yeah.
So no, it's absolutely, and I think I've seen. I'm not only me. I'm sure a lot of people who are watching us on Facebook and a lot of people who are listening us on the radio, they've watched your content. One thing that is very common about your content is, and I everybody can relate, because you make fun not only of your wife, your kids, but from the day to day, like the Justin Bieber show जो हुआ था, और वहाँ की आपने कुछ बातें की थी, and then you talk about, very satire and sarcasm के साथ मिलके you make a mockery of sometimes the politics as well. So I think that's what I think we are expecting from the Daddy Cool kind of theme as well. So tell us a little bit more, about Daddy Cool.
Yeah, so Daddy Cool is actually a show which I talk about my children a lot.
Okay.
In fact, a good part of so it's a story about when I got out of engineering in India. I lost 5 of my best friends to America, and they went to the Bay Area. They're working there now, and they've never come back, and they've all become American citizens now.
Okay.
So I have some stories about them, which a lot of NRIs back in the US will really relate to that.
Great.
It's a fun bit about that. I talk about my new dog, which is Patak Khatri.
Right.
And it's a nice fun show, and it's something which also touches some social issues here and there.
Okay.
So people really like the show overall, because it's, other than comedy, also touching a lot of issues which which people go back home thinking about it.
Got it.
And the best part is, with the best comment I've got is, like, people have come with their parents, like kids have come with their parents and say the parents also got the jokes, even the kids got it, both from 2 different point of view.
Kya baat hai. I think that's definitely something very special about you, because I don't know. Again, I don't want to go onto your age again and again, but the kind of look, the rustic look that you have, you connect pretty well with the senior citizen kind of audience, as well as the young crowd, because I think even though you're not a millennial, but still you have that lingo, and I'm pretty sure your kids have to be given the credit for that lingo that you have, right?
Absolutely. In fact, sit with them and I just keep on hearing how they speak. Words like so. For example, if they say this is sick, which means it's damn good.
Right, right. Yeah.
So it's I'm learning. I think today's generation is very very smart enough. It's okay to learn from them as well.
Absolutely. I think आप आपकी generation की बात कर रहे हैं. I have a 5-year-old daughter, and the things that she knows, the things that she does. मैं तो कई बार सोच के ये हैरान होता हूँ कि जब मैं 15 साल का था, I think तब भी नहीं मुझे इतना कुछ पता था जितना उसे 5 साल में पता है. So kids are really, really, really smart these days.
Dude, I'm sure if your daughter would have been here, she could have solved this Facebook Live problem.
Absolutely, I know. And the funny thing is, with her, I normally don't get her to the radio station because, of course, she's small and she'll not let me do the thing. But she watches me on Facebook, and har baar hamesha kehti hai, her name is Prisha. So she says, just like you have a show, the Varun Kapoor show, I want a show. I want the Prisha Kapoor show. And you never know. She might have a kids show in the next few years. So yes, it's all possible.
I just read the other day there's a I think an 8 or 10-year-old child in the US who has his own YouTube channel about where he unboxes toys.
Yes, Ryan. Who doesn't know Ryan?
Absolutely, and billions of views on YouTube. So can you imagine? I mean,
yes.
the news, and we have to accept this change and this challenge, and I think it's very exciting.
Absolutely, and this Ryan, he makes 24 to 25 million a year. Just to let you know.
Absolutely, just yeah.
So, anyways, more about Atul Khatri. So now you mentioned, most of the content is around your kids. आप kids से भी लेते हैं. How do your kids take it? Do they feel bad that you use them as a bait, or they also become a part of the fun?
Both my kids and wife, they're very clear. They say, Papa, as long as you get the money home and support us, do what you want, say what you want.
Kya baat hai. Very nice, very nice.
I think that's very important. I tell all my friends, just give your children a sense of humor. Rest they will manage on their own.
Absolutely. Very, very, very wise thought actually. Yeah, that's very true. जैसे हमारे पहले कहते थे कि character is more important than anything else. I think these days you should definitely mix a little bit of humor to that as well, क्योंकि आज की generation और आज के ज़माने में with so much pressure and all that stuff going on, I think humor is really, really a very important thing. All right, so
absolutely, I think we all need it.
Yeah. So is this the first time you are coming with Ajinkya or with Shilp Entertainment?
No, I worked with Shilp last in 2018. Also, we did a couple of shows with them.
Okay.
And honestly, they're very professional people to work with, and that's why we tied it then again now for the entire US tour.
Perfect. That's great.
And just looking forward, I just want people to come and watch the show. I think we're going to have a lot of fun.
So since we do a lot of these Facebook Live, and hopefully the next time we do, we are able to see you as well. But for all our listeners and all our people who are now only listening to you, you want to share some kind of dates and where can they get the tickets for the show?
So the dates I'll just quickly run you. I'm in 13th March, I'm in Toronto. Then 14th, I'm in New Jersey. 15th, I'm in New York. 18th, I'm in Phoenix and Arizona. Then 20th, I'm in LA. 21st, Seattle. And 22nd, obviously in the Bay Area, San Jose.
Right.
And after that, I go on to Washington, D.C., then Ames, Iowa, Atlanta, and then Chicago, Boston, and then St. Thomas Island in the Virgin Islands.
Very nice.
And all tickets at atulkhatri.com. Very simple. Just go to my page, and there it takes you to the further links of each of the ticketing websites. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. All right. So, like I said, I would have loved to have you on the Facebook Live, and we'll definitely try, to get you on my Facebook Live next time as well. But at the same time, since we have you, tell us a little bit about, the experience in India these days. Jo chal raha hai, there's a lot of politics and there's a lot of pressure and all that stuff. are you able to find humor out of those situations as well, or do you normally try to avoid getting into all that?
I have some clear thoughts on it. First of all, people ask us many times, where do you get your material from?
Uh-huh.
And I tell people, open Times of India, every day you will get 4 hours of material.
Kya baat hai. All right.
Thanks to our country is so beautifully diverse. There's so many things you can talk about: cricket, Bollywood, politicians, obviously. There's so many castes, communities, so many things happening around the country.
Right.
Generally, if you just open Times of India, like I've performed in Singapore. Singapore, it's so flat that even there's a robbery of $20, it comes on the front page of Singapore.
Oh, really? Wow.
Oh yeah, it's crazy. But like India is so beautiful, it's so diverse that you can get so much material. It's just that you have to find it. Secondly, in terms of I do a lot of political commentary as well on social media. And I always tell people, in an absence of a very clear, opposition, it becomes the role of every citizen, every poet, every comedian, every writer to, keep on picking holes at what the government is doing right or wrong.
Absolutely.
And I think we have to be, satirists, comedians have been there in our country from years. I don't know if some people remember, Jaspal Bhatti used to be there.
Yep.
In times of Doordarshan, he used to have a political satire program on Doordarshan, which used to make jokes on the government on Doordarshan, which was a state-owned channel.
Right.
So I think we are used to it. Satire is a part, should be a part and parcel of everything. It is whatever start making people think, let them start questioning, and not just to take whatever the government says blindly.
Absolutely. I think you put it very right. In absence of a very strong opposition, I think it becomes all the more important for people like you and me to kind of take up that role as well. But I think with all the things going around right now, I think it's better to focus on our lives, but at the same time make sure we are not hurting and we are not becoming a part of that communal politics that happens in India. And stick to people like Atul Khatri and other stand-up comedians who have taken this load of making us all happy and keeping us all entertained. I think that is one of the reasons why shows like the Kapil Sharma show is doing pretty well, because I think everybody is pretty much done with the heavy politics and all that stuff. They want that 45 minutes or 1 hour of relaxation. And I think I've watched your videos, I've watched other videos as well. I think all I can tell everyone who's watching or listening to us, just get your tickets, enjoy that, the whatever duration that Atul Khatri is going to talk about, have a good time. And I'm sure you will have a lot of content for your own household after you leave that show. Because, it becomes very important, especially for our kids as well. Halaki, you have a 16 plus, like you mentioned. But at the same time, getting that humor to your household is very important, especially in US. When we are continuously running behind our jobs and kids and all that stuff. So what's the duration of your show normally? How long do you talk or entertain?
Yeah. So basically, what happens is this. First of all, whatever we do, this Daddy Cole is first of all, it's a brand new show. So people who watched me in 2018, this is number one going to be a fully brand new show.
Okay.
Secondly, whatever material is already online. Like I'm on YouTube, I'm on Netflix. Typically, whenever we perform live and we do not repeat on any of the content. The reason I'm telling you that is a lot of people feel, hey, we have seen Atul on YouTube or on Netflix. It's maybe going to be repeat of the material. No, most comedians don't repeat any of the material which they've already done, which they've already given online. So it's going to be a very fresh new show.
Yeah.
And thirdly, watching live comedy is very, very different than watching it on YouTube or on your screen, on your laptops or TV or things like that. Live comedy, you're sort of you're in the center of the pit, enjoying the laughter. It's like a 4D 5D experience. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So first of all, live and come and watch it live, and it's roughly the show is around 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour, yeah, around 1 hour 20 minutes, and it's going to be great fun.
Got it.
And I think the biggest compliment I usually get is most comedians usually the best comment you can get is, hey, 1 hour passed away, we didn't come to know, and it felt like it was just 15-20 minutes, you know.
Right. And that also reminds me, congratulations on the Netflix, because these days getting onto Netflix is not an easy thing, and not everyone gets onto Netflix. So congratulations for being one of the proud content owners on Netflix. So that's a big feat in itself.
Yeah, thank you. You know, because I think among the comedians, it's only Veer, Amit, me, and Aditi who are currently on Netflix.
Yeah.
And it's growing. The tribe is growing, and I was very happy with that show as well. It was a show called Comedians of the World on Netflix.
Right.
So there were 47 comedians from 13 countries, and I was really privileged and proud to be a part of that.
Yeah. So how was the experience? Were there butterflies in the stomach, or was it just natural? It comes natural to you now.
Oh no! There are butterflies every time you go on stage, in your stomach, you know. Yeah. So once those butterflies goes, that means you're getting very cocky, and the audience will take you down.
Oh, really? Okay. All right. That's a good thing. So I think that's another good thing about people like you, Amit Tandons and Apurv. You guys shared those experiences, and you are really role models for a lot of people. Who want to get into this. So if I have to ask you, like a suggestion or some kind of guidance on how to sound confident, or how to have the crowd love you, what are your 1, 2, 3 kind of tips or tricks that you would like to share with people who want to get into this?
So people who want to get into stand-up comedy, first of all, very important, you have to write your original content. Don't steal jokes from any other comedians anywhere in the world, because even though there are so many comedians in the world, if you're caught stealing jokes, you are sort of thrown out of the industry. It's very, very clear. Number one, so write original content. Find it, dig deep within yourself and get some, great original stories and content which is very unique to you. Number one. Number two, only way you can get confidence on stage is to hit as much stage time as you can get. So wherever the opportunity you get, you must do it.
Okay.
And don't refuse it when you're starting out.
Right.
And third important thing which I tell most of the comedians is go and watch live comedy happening in your city.
Okay.
Don't sit and watch on YouTube or Netflix and all. Okay, that's that. You have to watch that. But watching a live show, you learn a lot. And I learned a lot of things in a lot of live comedy. Till today, whenever I'm free, anywhere like in the world or whenever I'm at home in Bombay, I make it a point to at least watch 2 or 3 live shows. It could be open mics, it could be on any other comedian. Because watching live comedy really teaches you the trade,
Got it. That's a good suggestion, because I've personally experienced as well here, and I know a lot of folks. They try very hard, very, very hard. Sometimes they become loud. Sometimes they become a little. They try to be funny even though they're not funny, and they still feel as if they are doing the right thing. But at the same time, I've seen other folks as well who are more calmer, more subtle, and still they're able to have that connect with the people. So I think it's definitely that connect that you need to build up, and by watching people who are doing it pretty well, I think you can learn some trade of some tricks of the trade for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Whatever your style could be, you could be loud, you could be subtle, you could have deadpan humor, you could have a lot of theatrics going on, running around, going on stage. All that is okay, but and it's a very simple kind of a profession that you write jokes. People laugh, you get your instant gratification. It's over there. The audience decides whether you're funny or not.
Right.
There is no nepotism. There is nothing. There is no. There's no training school which can teach you stand-up comedy. You can teach somebody creative writing, but teaching stand-up comedy is very, very difficult.
Right.
Because it's both your writing as well as your performance on stage.
Absolutely, completely agree. I think that's one thing which you definitely should keep in mind. you can definitely enhance the skill. You can definitely get good content, but if your presentation is not there, if you cannot connect with the crowd, then I would say this is definitely something not for you. But anyways, it was great knowing and chatting with you, Atul. I really want to be mindful of your time, but at the same time, I would rather love to have you back on the show, especially on Facebook Live, so that people can connect well. This point of time, I think we wanted to launch the show. We wanted to spread the word, so we will definitely keep on spreading the word starting tomorrow, and we will make sure that this show is a super duper hit, which I'm very confident of. And hats off to you, to whatever you've achieved so far, and I'm sure there's a lot more that we get to see, we will get to see. And Netflix or movies or whatever be the next path, I think we'll continue to watch you, and really looking forward to this March 22nd in San Jose. And thanks to Ajinkya and Shilp Entertainment for bringing you back to US, and this time I'm sure Daddy Cool will definitely make a lot of daddies and mommies and the kids feel pretty cool about it. So thank you for that.
Thank you so much, Varun. Thank you for having me over. And I'm sure next time get your daughter so she can sort out this technical difficulty.
Absolutely. And I will definitely, love to have, her talk to you as well, because, frankly speaking, I think, especially us as Indian parents, right, our kids come with that natural, the comedy thing, and she gives me so much happiness, so much laughter. And I'm pretty sure, that's how I can feel that the content that you've created, all thanks to your kids and your wife, will definitely make us all so very happy and so much relaxed that we really are looking forward to your show.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you. See you soon.
All right. See you soon.
Final shout out to everybody. Please come and watch us live. That's the best part.
Absolutely. And I'm gonna share all the details. Of course, Atul is everywhere on the social media. So you just connect with him. You will see all the content around when is the show, what city, what state, and you can get your tickets from atulkhatri.com, and each of the city will be listed out there. They will take you to those specific links, and you can buy those tickets. Once again, a big shout out to Atul Khatri and Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya Rahane, imagine. Ajinkya, for getting this tonight. And like I said, I promise you, we will definitely have Atul on the Facebook Live, and eventually, when he's here, we will try to get him in the studio as well, if possible. So we'll figure that out so that you can have a direct connect with him. But really exciting, excited about this show. Daddy Cool happening in San Jose, March 22nd. The tickets are available on atulkhatri.com. Don't forget, and baad mein mat kehna ke tickets big gayi and it was a sold out show. You still have time to get the tickets and get them right away. And once again, thank you so much, Atul, for connecting tonight. We will see you very, very soon.
Thank you, Varun. Bye.
All right, thanks. All right, so that was Atul Khatri all the way from Ahmedabad. Yes, आज वो अहमदाबाद में है, and the best part is Donald Trump भी अहमदाबाद पहुंचने वाले हैं, and that's what he was telling us कि पूरा शक्ल ही बदली पड़ी है अहमदाबाद की, and I'm sure he's gonna get a lot of wonderful content for us, for future shows. But at the same time, don't forget, he's gonna be here in the Bay Area, March 22nd. It is happening at Montgomery Theater in San Jose. But if you want any details, you can reach out at a number 647-370-3006, 647-370-3006. And or you could get your tickets from atulkhatri.com. So I am really looking forward to, and there might be a little surprise in the next few weeks. We'll be kind of sharing a lot of details with you around the show, some of the stand-up, the opening acts and other things. But at the same time, definitely get your tickets right away from atulkhatri.com. All right, so thanks once again, Ajinkya, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the Bay Area pretty soon. All right, so now for the next almost 45 minutes, I am going to continue playing songs. So अगर आपका भी कोई request है, कोई गाना सुनना चाहते हैं, call me 408-934-1310. I see a couple of requests, so I'm going to look it up. But before that, I'm going to play this song. उसके बाद, it's up for your song requests. All right, so that was Atul Khatri with us all the way from India. Ahmedabad se wo hamare sath connect hue the, and really looking forward to his show. I've seen almost all his videos, and this guy really can make us laugh like crazy. So a big shout out to all the people who are watching us on Facebook. Hello. Hey Kamlesh, hey Kishore, hi Sunita, hello, welcome everyone. And I see other folks as well. Hello Sivaji, hello Aman Paji, Sat Shri Akal. Hello Rakesh Paji, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome everyone. Okay, let's see. Hello. हाँ जी मधु जी, क्या बात है, आपकी नॉर्मल वॉइस सुन के अच्छा लगा. अच्छा, आप मुझे अपना एड्रेस नहीं दे रहे. अच्छा जी, ये बात होगी आप. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ठीक है. ओके, सो एक काम करें, आप होल्ड करें. होल्ड करो, मैं आपको एयर पे लेता हूँ. ओके, होल्ड. Alright, sure Gurjeet Paji, I'm gonna play your song. Hey Joseph, how are you? Long time. Hope you're doing well, brother. Alright, so हमारे साथ अब जुड़ी हुई हैं मधु जी, जिनको अभी मैं एयर पे लूंगा, and उसके बाद गुरजीत पाजी, I'm gonna play your song. Beautiful song, and this beautiful song के बाद we'll have another beautiful person जो हमारे साथ almost हर शो पे बनती हैं. She has not been doing well, उनकी अभी सर्जरी भी हुई थी एक, and I've been missing getting her calls and getting her song requests, but अब वो हमारे साथ वापस जुड़ चुकी है, और आज जब उन्होंने फोन किया I could hear the same energy, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. and आज I think उनके husband की anniversary है, या she's gonna talk about it. So मधु जी, आप एयर पे हैं.
Okay, hello all my area listeners all over the world. Good evening. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैं आपके साथ फिर से जुड़ गई हूँ. बहुत मिस किया आपको 2 महीने. Anyhow, आज मेरे my loving husband what you call death anniversary है. मैं उनके बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ कि I had the best husband in my life. मैं सोचती हूँ किसी को ऐसे हस्बैंड नहीं मिल सकते. वो इतने अच्छे थे कि मेरे जिस चीज से मेरी नजर जाती थी वो मेरे हाथ में आ जाती थी, और उन्होंने मुझे सारी दुनिया की सैर कराई, और जो मैं करना चाहती थी मेरी सारी विशेष पूरी करी. एक मैं जैसे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहती थी, पैसे सेट करना चाहती थी. इवन ही नेवर लाइक समथिंग, बट उन्होंने व्हेन आई से ही नेवर सेड मी नो. ही इज द बेस्ट हस्बैंड. मैं चाहती हूँ God give his peace to his soul wherever he is. मैं उनको कभी नहीं भुला सकती. मेरे दिल में कांटे चुभते हैं जब मैं उनको याद करती हूँ ना, every minute. And I remember him and my husband सबके अच्छे होते हैं, पर मेरे husband जैसा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. I can bet in the world. तो मैं उनके लिए डेडिकेट करती हूँ सॉन्ग तकदीर मूवी का, जब जब बाहर आई तो बहुत याद आए. और एक था गुल, एक थी गुलगल, 2 songs. And I love my husband. Please pray for his peace. Our life is really bad for me. तो मैं क्या करूं? जो चले जाते हैं वो नहीं आते, दिल से यादें भी नहीं जाती, एक एक कांटे की तरह चुभती है. तो यू कांट हेल्प इट. तभी आप लोगों से सबसे बातें करके अपना दिल को बहलाती हूँ. I love you all my listeners are very nice. Warren is very good. मैं उनका शो हमेशा मिस करती रही. Even I was in the hospital, I was missing his show. In the nursing home, I was missing his show. मैं सबको याद करती थी और सबके प्यार से मैं वापस आ गई.
क्या बात है, वेरी
Love you
नाइस.
all.
थैंक यू सो मच मधु जी. और आपके हस्बैंड के लिए आई एम गोना प्ले बोथ द सॉन्ग्स बैक टू बैक. एंड कीप स्माइलिंग, बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज, एंड ऐसे ही अपना प्यार और आशीर्वाद बनाए रखें. थैंक यू सो मच मधु जी. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स एंजॉय द सॉन्ग्स जो मधु जी ने रिक्वेस्ट किए हैं. हियर वी गो.
और फूल मुस्कुराए, मुझे तुम याद आए, मुझे तुम याद आए. जब जब बहार आई और फूल मुस्कुराए, मुझे तुम याद आए, मुझे तुम याद आए.
All right. Hi, Philendo. How are you, man? Long time. Sat Shri Akal, SP Singh ji, ki hal chal? Welcome. So we were in conversation with Atul Khatri, and yes, we had a good chat. Of course, I would have loved to have him on the video as well. Sat Shri Akal, Ramjeet Khangura ji. And thank you for joining. Hey Michael, how are you, man? Hey Shaker. Hello everyone who's on Facebook Live. Unfortunately, we were not able to have him on the Facebook Live itself. But next time, we'll definitely try to get him. And Gurjeet Bhai, your song coming up next.
मैंने नहीं बनाया अपना कोई तराना, मैंने नहीं बनाया, तुमने मेरे लबों पे हर एक सुर सजाया. हो जब जब मेरे तराने दुनिया ने गुनगुनाए, मुझे तुम याद आए, मुझे तुम याद आए. एक प्यार और वफा की तस्वीर मानता हूँ, एक प्यार और वफा की तस्वीर मानता हूँ. तस्वीर क्या तुम्हें मैं तकदीर मानता हूँ.
And the second one, Madhu ji, आपके लिए आप ही की request. Here we go. ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ song and thank you so much Madhu ji for requesting this song and as usual हर बार आप हमारे साथ फोन पे जुड़ती हैं बहुत प्यारी प्यारी बातें करती हैं I wish and pray आपकी लंबी उम्र के लिए and of course hope you feel 100% fit and fine very soon. Alright, so next song request हमारे प्यारे गुरजीत भाई ने request की है. So Gurjeet, here we go with your song starting at what time you mentioned.
ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਰਾਮ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਅੱਲਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਗੱਲਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਛੱਲਾ ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਕੱਖ ਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ 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 ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਕੱਖ ਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ 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 ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 लागे साल किने कुछ मूर्ख करन सवाल किने तेरा 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 कखना मेरा 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 सब है तेरा 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 सब है तेरा 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 तेरा
आपको भी महाशिवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Hello Rishi, how are you?
इंसान ना मिला
Really looking forward to
इबादत के नाम के
the next
झंडे को मिले.
few weeks.
इबादत ना मिली भगवान ना मिला
All the very best.
ਓਏ ਜੱਸੜ ਖੋਇਆ ਜੱਸੜ ਭੁੱਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੁਲਿਆ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਨੇਤਰ ਅਕਲ ਨਾ ਖੁੱਲਿਆ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਨੱਚਦਾ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਆ ਰੇ ਔਕੜਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਰਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਜਿੱਤਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਹਰਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਨਾ ਪਲ ਵੀ ਸਰਦਾ ਇਹ ਗੀਤ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਰੀਤ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਣਦੇ ਗਲੇ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਰਾਜ
Very nice song, Gurjeet. Thank you so much, Veere, for this beautiful song.
ਪਾਠ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਮਾਜ਼ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਅਲਫਾਜ਼ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਿਗੜੇ ਸਵਰੇ ਕਾਜ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਕਖਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ 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 ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਸਭ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ 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 ਤੇਰਾ
Very nice. Thank you so much for this beautiful song. Gaurav, for the next 20-25 minutes, I'm gonna play some beautiful numbers. Aap sabki request thi, those mashups that I play, you really love them. So now enjoy some beautiful soulful music. Here we go. एयर पे अच्छा एक काम करे फिर आप मुझे 2 मिनट का सॉन्ग है ये, या तो 2 मिनट रुक जाए या 2 मिनट बाद फोन करना है. ओके अब होल्ड करो, फिर मैं करता हूँ, एयर पे ही रखता हूँ. ओके. Hello Vijay Lakshmi ji, thank you so much for sharing all the videos and spreading the love. Thank you so much.
साथ हूँ तू जो पास हो फिर क्या ये जहां तेरे प्यार में हो जाऊं जरा सी दिल में दे जगह तू जरा सा अपना ले बना जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू जरा सा यादों में बसा मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जान पे बना फिदा तुझ पे मेरी जान पे बना हो तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे धड़कन से तेज दौड़ो अखियों से आगे अब जान लुट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा
बहुत ही प्यारा गाना है बट हमारे साथ एक कॉलर दोबारा जुड़ी हुई है मधु जी सो आई एम गोना टेक हर ऑन एयर बिकॉज लुक्स लाइक शी फॉरगॉट टू से समथिंग एंड लेट्स गेट हर ऑन एयर हाँ जी मधु जी
हेलो लिसनर, मैं आपको ना एक बात बताना भूल गई जो बहुत अच्छी बात है। कि वो बात है कि मेरे हस्बैंड हमेशा मेरी फोटो अपने वॉलेट में रखते थे, तो ही वॉज ग्रेट अटर्नी, तो वो बहुत इंटरनेशनली ट्रैवल करते थे, तो मेरी फोटो सब जहाँ भी जाते थे सब लोगों को दिखाते थे माई वाइफ, और ये तो सो हाई ऑफ मी कि लोग हैरान हो जाते थे। तो कई उनके फ्रेंड्स न्यूयॉर्क से मुझे मिलने आए इंडिया में, आई वॉज इन इंडिया, कहते हैं कि एक हस्बैंड ने अपनी वाइफ की इतनी तारीफ करता है, हम उस लेडी को देखना चाहते हैं। तो आए मुझे मिले, कहते हैं हम सिर्फ न्यूयॉर्क से आपको मिलने आए हैं। दिस इज वेरी ट्रूथ, यू नो। जब वो मुझे मिले कहते हैं या ही वाज राइट। फिर एक मुझे ब्रसेल से इन्विटेशन आया, मेरे हस्बैंड अटर्नी थे ना, तो उनके क्लाइंट ने भेजा कि वी वांट टू सी योर वाइफ, जिसकी आप इतनी तारीफ करते हो, ये है वो है, हम उसको मिलना चाहते हैं। उन्होंने इन्विटेशन भेजा एंड एक पेरिस के फैमिली ने इन्विटेशन भेजा एंड वी वेंट टू बोथ प्लेसेस। पेरिस में भी मैं गई, वहाँ रही और ब्रसेल में भी रही। They were so happy, कहते हैं yeah, what your husband was saying was right. I'm not boasting about myself, but I'm telling कि क्या होता है जब आपका हस्बैंड आपकी तारीफ करता है लोगों से, तो लोग कितने इम्प्रेस होते हैं, मिलने आते हैं। तो आप भी अपनी सारे वाइफ को खुद प्रेज करा करो, बड़ा अच्छा होता है, और लेकर हो ना आपकी फैमिली पे बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट पड़ता है। योर चिल्ड्रन गेट वेरी गुड इफेक्ट ऑन दिस।
Right.
So this was, I forgot to tell you. I
अच्छा।
tell you, this
क्या बात है?
wife,
I think you deserve every bit of it, and I'm sure your husband was the most luckiest man, and he really had the best time with you. So
यार अब रस्ते की फैमिली ने जो हमको एंटरटेन करा कि मैं आपको बता, दे वर फॉरेनर बट मैरिड टू सम इंडियंस, एंड पेरिस की इंडियन था वो, पेरिस की मतलब फ्रेंच लड़की से शादी हुई थी। आई स्टेड विद दोस फैमिलीज, आई एंजॉयड, कितना उन लोगों ने आई डोंट नो, आई वाज माय हस्बैंड, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मिसिंग हिम, यू नो।
all right, so आप ही के लिए I'm gonna continue playing these beautiful romantic songs, और जहाँ पर भी हैं I'm pretty sure he's watching you and he also misses you a lot. So आप enjoy करें ये songs and ऐसे ही हमें call करते रहें. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Varun ji. Thank you very much for taking me on air,
Sure.
and expressing my views to everybody. Like people will, my friends will like it and they will also love their wife like that. Put wife picture in Anwar and show to everybody. Oh, she is my Sonal. I love her.
All right. All right. I will definitely do that. Thank you so much again. Continue enjoying these beautiful songs just for you. Here we go.
All right, thank you so much.
कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे लापता तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां
दूर था जब करीब तू था एक जन्नत सा था ये जहां बात की खेत में कुछ मेरे नाम सा लिख के छोड़ गया तू
Okay, let me check.
हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी
जो साँझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम बांटते हैं ये गम दिए नैना
सफर मेरा है तू ही मेरी मंजिल तेरे बिना गुजारा ए दिल है मुश्किल
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं
चन्ना मेरे चन्ना मेरे चन्ना मेरे बिलिया चन्ना मेरे चन्ना मेरे चन्ना मेरे बिलिया
होता है मस्ताना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है
कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने
Let's continue to enjoy some more beautiful melodies. Here we go.
सफर मेरा है तू ही मेरी मंजिल तेरे बिना गुजारा ए दिल है मुश्किल
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा
जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा
कबीरा ना जा रे फकीरा यूं ना जा कैसा तू है मेरे मोही कैसा तर जाइया
जो की रवानी
जय श्री कृष्ण कपिल देव
और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है
तो से नैना जब से मिले तो से नैना जब से मिले बन गए सिलसिले तो से नैना जब से मिले
सोचेंगे तुम प्यार करके ये दिल बेकरार ऐ मेरे हमसफर ऐ मेरी जान जा ऐ मेरे हमसफर ऐ मेरी जान जा मेरी मंजिल है तू ही मेरा जहां
बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम कसम चाहे ले लो कसम चाहे ले लो खुदा की कसम
बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम आ मेरी जिंदगी
नहीं पड़ा सजना जालिम है दिल की लगे ओ नहीं पड़ा सजना जालिम है दिल की लगे
समझ कर चांद जिसको आसमान ने दिल में रखा है समझ कर चांद जिसको आसमान ने दिल में रखा है मेरे महबूब की टूटी हुई चूड़ी का टुकड़ा है मेरे महबूब की टूटी हुई चूड़ी का टुकड़ा है
वादा रहा सनम होंगे जुदा ना चाहे न चाहे ज़माना
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली उड़ा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली
Yes, I'll play that as the last song for tonight.
बस तू ही तो तेरी गली में चली
दिल की धड़कन में रहते कहते हो मेरी इन सांसों से कहते हो जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में.
So we'll continue to play more songs, but abhi 2 songs की request है, so I'm gonna play those songs. So Shiv Kishan, a very happy 40th birthday, and आपने आज गाना request किया है, so I'm gonna play it right now for you. Here we go. And Namo Namah will be the last song for tonight.
तुझे देख देख सोना तुझे देख देख सोना
Hello Deepak ji, namaskar, कैसे हैं? Hope you're doing well.
मैंने ये जिंदगानी संग तेरे बितानी तुझ में बसी है मेरी जान हाय जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जाए जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जाए तुझे देख देख सोना तुझे देख
song. Thank you for requesting, Shiv. अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम और बचा है. So I'm gonna continue playing the song और उसके बाद I'm gonna leave you with the last request जो कि मेरे बड़े भाई अमित ने request की है. But I'd like to mention one more thing. Michael Collins, thank you for sharing with us. Today is International Mother Language Day. मुझे नहीं पता था कुछ ऐसा दिन भी होता है. But then when I looked it up, I see it's an official day which is celebrated around the world. So thank you for sharing that. And of course, Shivratri तो हम सब मना ही रहे हैं. A very very happy Mahashivratri to all of you around the world जो celebrate कर रहे हैं. सब के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहे ये साल. And let's keep on enjoying the last, I would say, 2 songs. And जैसे कि मैंने कहा, last song मेरे भाई ने जो request की है उसके ऊपर we'll end the show. But right now, let's enjoy this beautiful.
तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा
तेरी उम्मीद तेरा इंतजार करते हैं तेरी उम्मीद.
Actually, Michael Collins की request पे ये रहा एक और गाना. Hey Neha, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Happy Mahashivratri.
उंगली पकड़ के चला
Perfect time to join.
चल में पला तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला ममता के चल में पला.
And सबको वहाँ पर, to your family, entire family on your side, as well as Nitin ji and Nishi ji, सबको मेरी तरफ से regards and warm wishes.
ओ मेरी माँ मैं तेरा लाडला.
Thank you.
तेरा साया मैं तुझको थाम लूं उठ के रब से पहले मैं तेरा नाम लूं.
Thank you for this beautiful song, Michael.
बनके तेरा साया मैं
Hey,
तुझको
Shruti.
थाम लूं उठ के रब
I am
से
good. How are you?
मैं तेरा नाम लूं रखूं तुझे पलकों तले
Let me see if I can play that.
तेरे सिवा तू ही बता क्या जिंदगी मेरी. मैं तो तेरे सपनों के रंग में ढला तेरी उंगली पकड़ के.
Beautiful song. Thank you so much. आपके टाइम बहुत थोड़ा बचा है. And there are a couple of song requests. So, Shruti, आपके लिए, here we go with this beautiful, beautiful song. लता जी की आवाज में.
जीवन जोत जागर है सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम
All right, last two songs of the night. Thank you again, Shruti, for requesting this beautiful song. And last two songs, I am going to dedicate it. Of course, मेरे भाई ने request किए हैं, but I'm also going to dedicate it to all the listeners as well as all the people who are celebrating Shivratri around the world. And of course, मेरी प्यारी Zante Pizza team, आप कब के लिए भी ये रहे last के दो songs. Let's enjoy.
दुश्मन को हराने से पहले दुश्मन को देखना चाहता हूँ
Alright, so इसी के साथ आज का शो खत्म होता है. इस लास्ट सॉन्ग पे आपको मैं छोड़ूंगा, but at the same time, don't forget, Atul Khatri will be here in the Bay Area March 22nd. Tickets are available on atulkhatri.com. atulkhatri.com पे जाएं और वहां से ये tickets ले सकते हैं. Around US and Canada. Canada में एक show है, बाकी I think around 12 shows in the US. And all the tickets are available on atulkhatri.com. And we'll get more details in the next few weeks, or we'll start sharing all those on social media. And of course, आप हमारे page पे जा सकते हैं, मेरे The Varun Kapoor Show page पे, and RJ Varun, and you will see all the details. All right, एक बार फिर से thank you so much everyone for tuning in tonight on The Varun Kapoor Show. ऐसे ही प्यार बनाए रखें और अपनी blessings हमारे पे रखें. And we'll continue to entertain and bring more meaningful shows to you. अगले हफ्ते देखते हैं, we might even have somebody in the studio, but at the same time, have a great weekend, have a great, the weather भी अब तो थोड़ा change हो रहा है, especially Bay Area में, so hopefully you'll have a fun time with your family, with your friends, and happy Mahashivratri and happy Linguistic Day as well. And I'm going to leave you with this last song, जो कि मेरे भाई ने request की थी, dedicated to all the people around the world who are celebrating Mahashivratri. Thank you for tuning in on the Varun Kapoor Show. Signing off for tonight, it's RJ Varun from Radio Mirchi, 1310 AM. Take care, good night, Shabba Khair.
जय हो शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा शिवाय शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना भोलेनाथ शंकरा चले ये सांस किस तरह
अब दिल्ली तो नहीं
मेरा
All right.
तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के
Thank you everyone for tuning in. Don't forget, go to atulkhatri.com to get your tickets for the show happening in March, March 22nd ko, Bay Area mein. Really looking forward to that show. And thank you again, Ajinkya. And thanks to Shilp Entertainment for bringing this amazing show. All right, happy Mahashivratri everyone. Take care, good night. Have a fantastic weekend. And I'll see you next Thursday on the Varun Kapoor Show. Thank you. Bye for now.
भारत युद्ध के बाद अब भोलेनाथ भैंस के रूप में थे जब भीम ने उनको आगे पकड़ लिया
All right, enjoy the song.
वो नेपाल में उल्टरिया रही है जय साहब जय हिंद बस 7 किलोमीटर हो गया 7 किलोमीटर बाकी
अरे किस बात से चला है
महादेव की मुट्ठी खा रखी है
रहेगी तेरी आस्था क्या समय
आधा होगा तो और ये सब आगे बेटा
में तेरी महानता
अभी तक किधर चल दिए
अरे तो इधर अपना इलाका है चाय पानी मौसम मिलेगा बस इधर 1 मिनट रुकेंगे चल चल रुस्तम बस दो आराम से हाँ 1 मिनट पकड़िएगा सर बस 1 मिनट रुकेंगे हाँ लो कर लो दर्शन
तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
All right, good night everyone. Take care and happy Mahashivratri. Good night. Bye for now.